it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. Well, what I have for you today is a fall decor haul for 2022. I popped in Hobby Lobby really quickly. I had to pick up a few things. Then I went by Walmart, and then I went to Target and went in and got one thing at Michael's. So it's a very small haul, but it's a very cozy, just warm vibe haul for fall this year. So let's hop into this. I think I'll go to Target first, because if you haven't been to Target's Dollar Spot, oh my goodness, you are missing out. And it is pouring the rain down, hence my lovely hair living its best life. It has rained for days, so it's hot and humid here in Florida today. Okay, so let me show you. I could not believe when I saw this. You know the gumball machines? Well, they have the clear ones. They are totally clear all the way down. I love this. Can you imagine you could put like candy corn in that if you wanted on your drink station, or what I'm thinking is in Christmas time, filling it either with cookies or like white and red M&Ms. Would that not be beautiful? But I love this. Let me take this right off here. Okay, the top pops off, and like I said, all that is empty. Can you believe it? I was shocked. I have the white one, and I always thought, oh, I'd like to pick up the red one. Well, now I love this clear one. It can just totally, St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day, this is so versatile. And this was $5, okay? So I love that, and it's just as tall as the others, okay? Then I saw this. This looks like real wood, but it is ceramic. Look at that. I love that little vase. It's not real tall, but it's not real small. It was $5. This just looks, look at that wood grain effect. I love that so much. That has a little something on it. I think it'll come off. Look how beautiful with a few stems in that. Beautiful. You could use this throughout the year for your decor. Okay, now, pumpkin alert. Look at these beautiful, I don't even know. They were $3 a piece, and I love this stem. It just looks like some kind of natural fiber. The name's escaping me. And it's just woven. Look at that gorgeous pumpkin. If you would see that out, it just says natural woven pumpkin. Okay. If you would see that out, oh, would you pay a lot of money for that? So I got one orange, and then I picked up two of these beautiful, look at that stem, beige ones that just look so natural. It's a perfect natural fall decor right there. These are so pretty. I mean, just look at these together. If I can get them together. But look at this. Oh my. Okay, just look how beautiful these are together. Be beautiful in like a neutral fall decor. I love it, okay? Or even traditional colors. I think it's good to break it up with some neutrals. All right, then I had been looking for these little acorns, and I found it. It was $3. Just look at that. I love this, like it's textured. It almost feels like a sand paint, and then this is just so shiny. I only picked up one. Probably should have got more than one, but I only got one. Then look at this. Look at this cozy little throw. You could put this in a basket, put some pumpkins in that basket. You could put some books and have this in there, pillows coming out. This was $5, and I want to open this. It's just woven throw blanket, 40 by 60. And this is soft. Oh my goodness, it's soft. I kind of wish they had some black ones in this one. I kind of wish I had gotten some more. Look at that edge. It's just frayed. This is just a yummy little throw that you could put on your couch, over your end of your bed, but I'm going to put it in a basket. Pretty much decided that, but just look at that. How beautiful. Love it. And look how pretty it looks with these pumpkins. Gorgeous. They make it so easy anymore to get your decor like you want it and coordinate it. It's very easy. Okay, and this is the last thing from Target's Dollar Spot. It was $5, a little pricey. I have seen some at Walmart they came in 3 sizes. I probably should have got that, but I didn't, so I went ahead and picked this up. This would be pretty for apples, or if you have a tree you could set down in there, like a fall tree or a fall arrangement, or you could even have pumpkins coming out of it, lean it over, have pumpkins spilling out. So many possibilities. I love these things. And they're so versatile, like fall and Christmas. Okay, I guess we'll go to Michael's next since it's really quick. I picked up this pumpkin, okay? I'm looking for things to put on my fireplace mantle. I think this one might be too big, so if it doesn't work out, I have another spot for it. But it was $19.99, but all of their fall is 40% off, which Hobby Lobby's is 50% off, but I didn't see a pumpkin that looked like this. I love how just natural and kind of squished it looks, and look at those colors. Just my colors exactly, okay? So I picked this up. You see, it's kind of large, all right? So I picked that one up. All right, then we'll go to Walmart really quick, and we'll go to Hobby Lobby for the last, okay? Look what I found at Walmart. They have so many nice things. This was $3.28, and it's their harvest garland. This one says welcome fall. They had another one. I just love that. Looks like faux stitching that goes around it, but it's with paint. And these leaves are actually dimensional, and so is the welcome fall. If you run your hand over it, I love it. And then these beads are gorgeous with the little tassel. I thought you couldn't even make this for this amount. I love it, okay? Be great in a tiered tray or on a book, just dangling anywhere you wanted to put it, okay? Then I saw this pumpkin spice and everything nice. This was $2.98. Very affordable. Look at that, really dark brown around the sides, and look at that front with the pumpkin spice, looks like a latte, and then the leaves. I just love it, and that pumpkin on there, and look at that whipped topping. I love it. So pretty. So this you'll probably see in my drink, in my tier tray, because I think it's beautiful, and I love that vibrant yellow coming out. You know, I used to not be that fond of yellow, but I'm starting to really like to incorporate it in some of my decor. I still wouldn't like a ton of yellow, but I do like it, especially with these colors. I think it plays very nicely, okay? All right, who's ready for Hobby Lobby? I am. Okay, when I went in there, I was looking for some candles, and they have so many different types. I picked up this, and I have a battery in one to let you see how pretty that is. And it looks like it's flickering. I just love it. And you can probably hear the thunder, I don't know. This is the LED flameless candle. All their candles were 50% off, and this one was $12.99. So I didn't think that was bad at all. So I picked up 2 of these. Now they had these in a really pretty orangey rust color, but I didn't get that, started to. And then they have glass ones like I've seen on Amazon, where the container is glass and then the wick is just like a flameless wick. And I turned it on because I got a battery. Always take a battery with you. You can see a lot. And I didn't like how it looked. It didn't look real. So I went ahead and got this one. And these also have timers, which I love. So both of these you can set to a timer. think I'm going to put this on my mantle, okay? You can see all this is kind of going together, all right? Then when I was in there, I picked up 2 more of these fall leaf picks because I think I only need 2. And now that I think about it, I kind of wish I had gone back and gotten 2 more. They're very inexpensive. They're $3.99, but at 50% off, I mean, you can't beat that. And don't these just look so realistic? I love them. You know, I did a fall tree using a Dollar Tree plunger years ago. I was the first one that ever used a Dollar Tree plunger for anything that I know of. And now everybody's doing it. But you could get these. I used Dollar Tree leaves. Mine was all Dollar Tree, but you could get these and put it on there. And you can even get taller plungers and make you a tree, and I just hot glued it on there. It would be gorgeous. And then I set it in a really pretty wooden container that I picked up at Michael's, and I love it. You'll see it again this year. It's one of my favorite DIYs I've ever done. But you could use these the same way if you didn't want to do the Dollar Tree leaves that come on the stem. That's what I use, the ones that come with the stem. But this would, well, I don't know. Now that they're 50% off and Dollar Tree's $1.25, they're very comparable, but I think this looks even more high end. So just a thought, okay? Then when I was in there, I picked up 2 of these little pumpkins, $4.99, 50% off. And once again, I love that old gnarly squished look that they have. And they're cream, and they have just a little bit, it's hard to see, just ever slightly a hint of that orange. So I was thinking I could like stick them up against maybe the bigger pumpkin. I don't know, we'll see. And I love those stems. I think they're so pretty. So I picked 2 of those up. Then look what they have out. I love it. Now this one doesn't have a price tag. I don't remember how much it was. It wasn't much, but this one says pumpkin pie. It's from Hobby Lobby too. Look at this scoop, and then look at that, those little beads. You can hang it on a tiered tray, or you can, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with mine, pretty sure. And I love this little wood leaf pumpkin pie. Is that not adorable? Every time I go in there, it's like they've got more stuff and I get sucked in. I cannot help it, okay? Then look at this. Autumn, look at that. I love that natural color wood. That autumn font is gorgeous. Look at those beads, and you can hang it. I have plans for this. This was $4.99, 50% off. I just had to interrupt my decorating to show you this stuff, and a lot of this stuff, well, all of it, I'm going to be using to decorate with, so I want you to know where I'm getting things, because I don't think some of this stuff's going to last, okay? Then the last thing I got at at Hobby Lobby, I've picked these up before. I love these napkins. They're beautiful. They were $5.99, but 50% off, and I just love that color. I did a DIY with them once before, and I can't find the ones I had. They're somewhere in my storage bins. So I thought I'd pick them up again because I have plans for these again. They are perfect for fall. Love them. So that is everything that I found at the various stores for this fall decor haul for 2022. I hope it gave you some fall decorating inspiration, some ideas if you want to go pick up a few things. They really are having wonderful sales right now and so many wonderful finds. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you'd subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Monday for the continuation of our Alice in Wonderland junk journal. And then Tuesday, that's Tuesday. I always get that confused. Then Wednesday, we're going to do a decorate with me, and I think it's going to be in my kitchen. So let me get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby. Were you sleeping on the couch? Yes, she was sleeping, and she's not through. No, Mama knows. Can you say hi to your friends? Can you say hi? She says Mr. Thunder is wearing me out. Yes, Mama knows. Mama loves you. So, until next time, bye guys.